So you ever think, man, I've got all this stuff and no place to put it. And I'd love to have some, some shelving, some big shelves so I can put big stuff. And you just don't have the space, but you got high ceilings, right? So you got like right here, I've got like really high ceilings. And so I'm thinking, maybe I just hang them from the ceiling. That's it. Okay, let's see if we can make that work. Okay, so here I am up by the ceiling. So as you can see, yeah, so I'm way up there. And I'm making my measurements. So I'm thinking on this, so on that first shelf, it's only gonna be 3 feet wide. So I'm gonna go 9, right here. And 27, right? 9 and 27. So that's my spot. I need to cut these out for my beam clamps. So I'm going to use these C-style beam clamps, and they need to get a hold of the beam.
Yeah, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more.
Okay, I think I got a better tool for the job. So we are using these. So that's a C-style beam clamp. It takes 3/8 all thread rod up on your beam. Yeah. Once you get your beam in place, like this, you can tell, but this would be a lot easier if I didn't have all this foam insulation. So now let's tighten that bolt down so it doesn't ever come off.
Pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. I said, well, pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. Well, I said, working for the man next door. No, sir, not, I said.
Okay, and then over the top, that. Tie it down. This one, same thing. Okay. Your wrench.
Well, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, well, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Well, pick up your hammer, swing away.
All thread rod's next. You find yourself working with all thread rods, and you gotta get it on. And you gotta get it like several feet down, and it's really difficult because you're just sitting and spinning. But I found if you took the cordless drill and you just put it on there, there you go. Moves that nut right along pretty quickly, and it saves you a lot of time.
Yeah, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. I said, well, say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Well, yeah, you're working for the man next door.
Okay, so after you cut off your all thread, it's always a good idea before you cut it to put on a few nuts, so you can use the nuts actually to clean out the thread, so that later if you need to add one, it's not that big of a deal because the threads are clean. So always put that nut on there first. It does help out a lot. Okay, so there you go.
Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Then pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. I said, well, pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Yeah, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. I said, well, say goodbye to Uncle Sam, you're working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Well, yeah, you're working for the man next door. Yeah. Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, well, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Pick up your hammer, swing away. Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. I said, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Then pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. I said, well, pick up your hammer, swing away. You're working for the man next door. Well, I said working for the man next door. Yeah, Charlie Jones, you don't take no guff no more. Jones, you don't take no.
Hot afternoon, but we've got it done. We have our hanging shelves. So those are 3/8 beam clamps using 3/8 all thread rod and 1.5" channel iron. Probably more than I needed, but that's all I could get at the moment. So I couldn't get into the 3/4 inch, which would have worked just fine. But anyways, plywood, I think that's 1/2 inch plywood, some particle board on the top, but it turned out really well and allowed me to get a lot of stuff off the floor and really happy with it. So